Hello friends, welcome to Himalaya Shakti Tantra. It's just an informational video I want to make for you because lots of people texting me continuously about the Tantra and Tantra practices because they believe, they think Tantra based on their sexual activities. But that is not right. I already make lots of videos on that and I mention lots of things on it. And I want to make it clear again because I'm receiving lots of mails, texts and calls regarding the Tantra sexuality. They believe Tantra based on so you can enjoy the sex through the Tantra. That is not right. Try to understand. Spirituality is the part of your salvation, your liberation, your freedom to understand who you are, to realize who you are. So Tantra cannot give you that if you think that you're wrong. Tantra cannot give you definitely the sexual pleasure. Sexual pleasure is not related to your Tantra. Try to understand very calmly and listen very carefully what I'm going to tell you. Tantra is very pure and spiritual practice. Very, very pure and spiritual practice. According to the ancient learning, if you go to learn the ancient books, the Vedic books, the Agam Shastra, there is nothing mention physical connection. The Shiva Shakti, it's a virtual connection, it's a science, it's an energy. And yesterday I also mentioned there is a group, I don't want to mention the name, on the Facebook. They're spreading something, wrong things, and I text there, I comment there very clearly, and they block me because I think they have a fear why I'm spreading this. So, that's why I say they block me from there. So I have no problem with that. But I want to tell you something. Tantra is based on very, very, very higher frequencies, energies. Tantra is not like just like you can enjoy your physical touch. No. It's not like that you see in the Western countries. It's totally polluted. Even they don't know the 1% of Tantra, I'm telling you. The 1%. There's a lot of followers they have because they have a physical pleasure. Everybody want to enjoy the physical sex. Who want to deny? Everybody enjoy that. And that's why they choose this path, the Tantra. Tantra is the ancient practice. Tantra is based on your liberation. So the aim is liberation, salvation, freedom. Means how you can remove your Maya, how you can understand difference between illusion and reality, the Maya and the truth. So that the Tantra practices first. In the Tantra, whatever you are doing in your life, even in your physical world, even in your spiritual world, whatever, it doesn't matter, you are an athlete, you are a sportsman, you are a cook, whatever profession you have, without discipline, without dedication, without daily practice, without learning, and without the right guidance, you cannot reach and achieve and attain your goals, your aim. First, the same thing apply in the spirituality. If you are not disciplined, if you are not dedicated, if you don't have patience, if you can't practice every day, if you can't learn more, if you cannot connected with the right things, then you cannot grow in the spirituality and you cannot attain the higher stage of spirituality, that is salvation, liberation. We all are stuck here. Listen very carefully. We all are stuck here. The life and death, life and death, life and death circle. We know that. We know lots of things. They are talking about the angels coming on earth. So please stop doing stupidity. It's not happening now. It's so far. It's a very big era of Kali Yuga, the current era, the black era. So it's an individual journey on earth first. If you are not awaken yourself, if you are not conscious about yourself, how you give to others? If you are not happy, how you give happiness to others? The true happiness I'm talking about, not artificial, just you go out for the parties and in your society and you smiling and laughing, oh my God, I'm so happy in my life, I have everything. Not artificial I'm talking about. I'm talking about the inner bliss, the inner happiness. I'm not talking about you pretending yourself happy. It's not pretending. The truth. So stop talking about polluted content here. Please. Tantra is a very pure spiritual practice, is based on mantras, is based on yantras and the tantras. Tantra is the combination of two things, mantra and yantras. We connect with the different kind of energies here. We ask for help, they guide us, and we slowly grow with the daily practice, dedication, patience. With the right guidance, you need a divine teacher in this path. Only three I already mentioned. I am not here to repeat the same thing again. So please don't contact me for your sexual activities only. That is the connection with the Kama Sutra. The love-making art, your physical love-making art, the festival of your body. That is not Tantra. Tantra is the inner journey about your emotions, feelings, desires, awareness, consciousness, understandings. It's all about that, not just to pleasure of your senses and the bodies. If you don't know about your anatomy, about your body, about your mind, about your brain and thoughts, I don't think so you can reach there. Definitely you cannot. Daily practice will give you realization. It's not the journey of knowing something. That is not theoretical journey. It's a practical journey. Tantra is a spiritual science. With the daily practice, you can reach to a higher stage. So please stop selling sex on the name of Tantra. Stop selling sex. It's not pornography. You cannot enjoy your vagina and penis pleasure. The pleasure of your body. No. I don't want to use this word, but I have to use it because you are not listening. You cannot remove pain from your life, traumatic energies, traumas, negativity, because everything is connected with your body. Anger, fear, lust, greed, attachments. What is the reason behind? The reason behind your physical appearance, you believe your body. That's why you are in pain. That's why you have a fear about your future. That's why you have a negative and traumatic energy about your past. That's why you are not conscious about yourself, about your thoughts, emotions, feelings, desires. You are not conscious. And do you think with your physical pleasure only you can go beyond that? No. It's a up and down journey. You cannot remove sorrows from your life till when you didn't understand who you are, when you didn't realize who you are. You know you are not body, but you never realized in your life. You don't know where soul lives. Have you realized? You can tell about your physical appearance, but you cannot tell about how you look like. I'm talking about the soul. Because it's not written. You can see yourself in the mirror and you can tell I'm look like this, I'm wearing this kind of a color of clothes. But you cannot tell about your soul because you never saw that. Because you only read, you only listen that. So practice will take you there. So you can tell people, yes, this is me, I live here, I can detach myself anytime. Anger is the reason of your attachments. Lust is the reason of your attachments. Greed is the reason of your attachment. Fear is the reason of your attachment. Shyness, shame. Every negative emotion in your body is the reason of your attachment. It means I, ego, I am this, I have this, I have done this. You have done nothing in your life. Because you cannot control. If you cannot centered physically, mentally, with your thoughts, that is not spirituality. Definitely that is not spirituality. The symptom of spiritual practices, the symptoms of meditation is bliss, happiness, calmness, connections, not temporary, permanent I'm talking about. No, it's a permanent experience. If you're doing meditation, you're just focusing on your relaxation and calming. That's why you're doing massages, traveling, and you're doing lots of things, swimming and listening music and different kind of frequency musics. It's totally famous on the YouTube, you know. Activate your third eye with this music. Activate. Oh my God. Are you really human? Are you aware about what you're listening? Do you think that music can activate your energies? Oh my God, it's a very disciplined journey. You have to eat right, you have to drink right, you have to sleep well, you have to control everything, you have to remove your negativity, you have to control your emotions, wrong thoughts, unwanted desires. Then something will happen in your life. It's a propaganda of views. They just want to increase their views, their followers. That's why they mention this kind of subjects there. Activate your powers in 1 minute. Do you think you can activate? You cannot remove your pain in 1 minute. So how could you? So please don't stuck in fake propagandas and don't spread polluted contents. Beauty is inside you. Happiness is inside you. You are the reason of your happiness. Because right now you depend on others. That's why you are in pain. You are attached. And lots of people I'm teaching, and lots of people come to me and I'm teaching, and they continuously telling, Nitin, I'm removing my pain and I'm doing this. But they want to enjoy the vagina pleasure. They want to enjoy the penis inside the vagina. I don't think so. This is right. You're continuously receiving negative energy inside you. That is very sacred place. Very sacred. I don't think so everybody can enjoy inside you. Why are you enjoying everybody's energies? That is the reason of your imbalanced energies, imbalanced emotions. It's a pleasure of 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 30 minutes, 20 minutes maximum about your physical intimacy. And you enjoy a lot, lots of times in your life. This is not fun time. One time you're experiencing, 1,000 times you experience in your life. But still you have a greed about that. So it means you are not aware about it. It's not sex life. It's not about your sex life. It's all about your bliss, peace, happiness, connections, beauties, respect, care, harmony, compassion, liberation, salvations. The spirituality based on these emotions. When you are understand about your feeling, then you can enjoy the better your physical pleasure, better, in a better way. So take my words very, very, very lightly. Because I know people will not understand, but I want to convey my message to people. That is my journey. Enjoy your path with the truth. And think about, am I doing right? Why I'm in a still pain? I'm practicing last 5 years, 6 years, 10 years. Why I'm not able to remove my pain from my life? Ask yourself, ask, and you will get answer. Then come to me, and I'm here always ready to help you. I'm not here to judge. I'm not judging you. I'm just telling you the difference between two things. Your energetical pleasure on your spiritual pleasure or your physical pleasure. That's it. I never judge people. Because for me, nothing is right and wrong. Nothing is right and wrong. It's just a perception of life. But if you really want to remove pain, fear, so you have to go right, on the right path. Enjoy your day with the bliss, with the love, and with the awareness.